morning to everyone. My dears, today I have come up with a new idea. You might have seen some of the pets around your home, is it? You may have some pets in your home also. But here, today I want to discuss about a pet or a puppy which is moving in a street. It is not owned by any fellow. It is just wandering here and there in a street. What do you feel about that? If it is very cute, we feel we should take that to home. We should feed it, is it? And we should give some bread or biscuit to it. And we love that animal. Here, in your 7th standard, in a prose, a blind dog, a writer, R.K. Narayan is saying about such kind of a puppy which is wandering here and there and which is living with a great freedom for itself. But what happened in its life? How it is making its life for itself as a burden. How the people are thinking and how they get freed the puppy again in further days. How they got mercy on it. Everything is being written by our writer R.K. Narayan. My dears, let us have a look over our writer. Who is he? Where is he born? And when was he died? Okay? Let's see introduction about a poet. Introduction about a writer. That is R.K. Narayan. Here, the full name of R.K. Narayan is nothing but Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami. It's too long name. He's having, that is Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami. In shortly we call him as R.K. Narayan. Here he born on 10th October 1906 in Madras. He was born in Madras on 10th October 1906. He is an Indian writer and he is writing his writings in English also. Okay? He died on 13th May. He died on 13th May 2001 in Chennai. He died in Chennai on 13th May 2001. His film story credits means he has written some of the stories. One of his story has become a film. They have made a film from that story. That story is Miss Malini. The story written by R.K. Narayan, Miss Malini, has become a film. If it is available in YouTube, just go through that video and just see how he has written the story about a Miss Malini. Okay. Next one, awards. Awards owned by R.K. Narayan. The very first thing is Filmfare Award. Filmfare Award. He awarded a Filmfare Award for his great story. Which have made a film. Next one, Padma Bhushan. He was awarded Padma Bhushan for his stories and also a Padma Vibhushan. 3 main awards owned by him are Filmfare Award, Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan. My dears, now let me get into a textbook. That is page number 44, Unit 4, The Blind Dog, written by R.K. Narayan. Let me go through the meanings or a glossary, new words which they have given in your textbook to know yourself. Go through that, page number 51. I want you to open your book, page number 51. Go through that. I go on reading glossary. Culvert, a passage for wastewater that passes under the road. Stirred, here attack. Means here in this lesson, stirred means attack. Scrooge, here means in this lesson, someone who gives trouble. Leer means sly or unpleasant look. Circumscribed means kept within narrow limits. Haunt, familiar place. Orbit, here means in this lesson, the restricted path. Orbit means here the restricted path. Lumber cause difficulty by giving unwanted responsibility. Cause difficulty by giving unwanted responsibilities. Hunches, relieved. Bone of a back leg standing out. Bone of a back leg standing out. Now go through your prose. That is Unit 4, The Blind Dog, page number 44. Reading task. Listening and speaking. Means I am going to speak and you have to listen. Here they have given people love animals and keep them as pets. Take dogs for example. Dogs are well fed, bathed, groomed and taken out for walks and rides. Is it? Now it has become a passion of people to have a pet and look after it very carefully, just like a child. They will take them to a walk and they will bath, they give bath to their pet which they have owned, and they will feed it with the different varieties of food which are available in the market as animal food itself. Is it? Their masters get them good medical care. In the end, they are sometimes put to sleep to help them escape the pangs of death. There are also people who keep animals to make them work for them. They feed them well to keep them strong. Some other people will take the dog or some of their pets outside just to make themselves strong. That I have an animal with me and it will attack you. If you make me something mischievous, if you make something mischievous with me, that will attack you like that. They will show their strongness by having their pets in. Have you heard of SPCA? Means the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. There is an act against the human beings who will treat the pets or who will treat the animals cruelly. Is it? That is SPCA. It says we must not treat animals cruelly. Means according to this rule, we should not treat the animals in a cruel manner. We should not treat them as our slaves. Okay? Because they do have freedom to live on this earth. Every organism has its own freedom to live on this earth. In this story, some people help a poor mangrove to run away from its cruel master. But the poor thing comes back to him and falls into its clutches again. Means here, some people who have mercy on animals, they make a mangrove puppy to run away from his cruel master. But a poor thing, a poor mangrove comes back to him and falls into his clutches again. But here, the mangrove comes back to the hand of a person again. Okay? Let me go through the paragraphs. First paragraph, page number 44, first paragraph. It was not very impressive or a high-class dog. It was one of those commonplace dogs one sees everywhere. Color of white and dust. Mottled at an young age by God knows whom. Born in the street and bred on the earrings and garbage of a marketplace, he had sporty eyes and undistinguished carriage and needless pugnacity. Before he was 2 years old, he had entered the scars of 100 fights on his body. When he needed rest on hot afternoons, he lay curled up under the culvert at the eastern gate of the market. In the evenings, he set out on his daily rounds, looped in the surrounding streets and lanes, engaged himself in skirmishes, picked up edibles on the roadsides and was back at the market gate by nightfall. Here, he is describing about a dog which is meant in this story. It is not a very impressive or a high-class dog. It is not a very impressive or high-class dog, just like your dog. Okay? It is not a high-class dog. It is one of a street dog. It is just like a street dog. It is a commonplace dog. Everyone who can see everyone here and there. It is colored of white and muddy color, means light brown color. It is at his young age, he was mottled, means he was left over by his parents and don't know who have given birth to it. There was no parents for him. He was born in the street itself, means it is a street dog. and read on the earnings and garbage of a marketplace. Earnings means some of the fellows will throw something to the puppy by seeing its innocency. So by that he will get a food for himself, and also from a garbage of marketplace. Marketplace there will be garbage and they will throw something left over into that, and there is such a food in that, and he is going to eat that food itself. He had spotty eyes and undistinguished carriage and needless gansity. Means here he has spotty eyes. Spotty eyes means very beautiful eyes, and undistinguished carriage. Carriage means he cannot. There is no distinction between his on his body. And needless gansity means very naughty. He is always traveling here and there, making himself round, and he was doing some activities with him. Before he was 2 years old, he had earned the scars of 100 fights on his body. Means before 2 years old itself, it has gone with the wounds on his body. Just because of his gansy, just because of his timidness, he was doing some mischief with some other fellows for his food. So they will throw stones on him. Okay. When he needed rest on hot afternoons, he lay curled up under a cowlet at the eastern gate of a market. Means there was a market, and there was a gate in the eastern part of that market, and there is a garbage which is meant for the flow of unwanted water, dirty water. Is it? That is called as culvert. Here, in hot afternoons, the boy is going at that place and he is curled for himself. Means always the dog is sleeping by curling itself. Is it? Facing, he is taking his face inside his body. Like that, he curled himself on that garbage itself. In the evenings, he set out on his daily rounds, looked in the surrounding streets and lanes, engaged himself in skirmishes, picked up edibles on the roadside, and was back at the market gate by nightfall. Means in the evenings, as usual, when it gets cool, then he is setting out for a walk in search of food. It will take some search of food. He set out for a wandering. Here he is rounding at the streets, lanes, and also he engaged himself in skirmishes. Means in digging something to get a food, and picked up some edibles. Means so it will with its nose it can smell the edible part, and it will pick up by the roadside and goes back to the market at the eastern gate of the market, and in the night it will fall there itself. Means it will fall as there itself. It was just like a home of the street dog. You might have seen such kind of street dogs around your home also. They will make their own home by taking some places or by searching some places for itself, which is very safe, where no one can make them to get it out of that place. Is it? Here, in the second paragraph, this life went on for 3 years, and then occurred a change in his life. A beggar, blind of both eyes, appeared at the marketplace. An old woman led him up there early in the morning, seated him at the gate, and came up again at midday with some food, gathered his coins, and took him home at night. Means this life of a dog went about 3 years. About 3 years. Already it was 2 years, and about 3 years means up to 5 years. The dog has gone through the same lifestyle. But once occurred a change in his life. Once occurred a change in his life. What was that? Means a beggar who is blind with both of his eyes. He cannot see through his eyes. Both of the eyes were blind. So a woman, old lady, will take him to the market and make him to sit under a tree, and she will spread over a towel or anything in front of him, or a ball in front of him. She made him to sit under a tree itself whole day, so that the people who walk by there came to know that he is blind, and they will put some coins in that bowl. And in the midday, she will come with a meal and give that to the blind person. He will eat it up, and again until the night he sat there itself to collect the coins. And at the night, the lady will come to him. The old woman will come to him, and she will take him to the home by gathering the coins which have been put by some of the fellows walking there. Okay, who walk in front of the blind person. Yes, my dears, nowadays it has become a business. Begging has become a business. You might have observed in TV channels that one of a beggar woman has more than 3 lakhs of amount with herself by her begging itself. Is it? So nowadays the begging has become an offense. If someone begs for money, we can give a complaint about them. If he is very able to do the work, he should not beg anything. It is an offense. He should do some work to earn his livelihood. Just because most of our money is getting waste just by giving some amount to the beggars who are able to work. I'm not talking about blind people, or I'm not talking about a person who are unable to work, and I'm not talking about old women or old men. I'm talking about those persons or children who meant on begging for themselves, even if they are able to work. Okay, at that time we should not give money to them. Okay, remember, my dears, everyone do not have a need of money. They do not need money to live. They need a food, they need shelter, they need clothes. But still, they meant the children to beg just for their selfishness. So at that time, we should not give money to those children. We should give some food to eat. We should give some delicious food and some good clothes to wear. That makes them very happy. Okay? Here, the same thing is going on in this lesson, that a blind beggar is sitting all the day and is going back to his home at the night by taking the coins which were given by the fellows who were traveling in front of him. Okay? We shall discuss about this in our next class, about the third paragraph, what happens next and how actually the life of a blind dog changed. Here, one more thing you should observe. The name of the chapter is The Blind Dog. Actually here, the dog was not blind. Is it? Here, the person is blind, but because of that person, the dog has become blind. What happens and how it survives its life, and how the life of the dog will become changed, and who helped the dog to get rid from the cruel person. All those things we shall see in our next class. Thank you.